Hello everyone. In today's session, we will see how to import and export the tags with the help of CSV functionality. So you can see on my screen, this is the model in CATIA, and you can see here the parts are not having any tags. So let's see how one can use the CSV file or the CSV functionality to import and export the tags. Now for that, first we need to set up the CNXS macro, and to do that, go to tool option here, then the macro, and then just select the macros. So here you can see there are no macros available. So just click on the macro library. Here under library type, you need to select the directories and then click on add existing library. So the macro is actually present in the CNXS installation directory. So I'll just go to my 300 CN installation directory. So in that, I'll go in the bin folder and then I'll just select the script. So macro is available in the installation directory in bin folder and inside that in the script folder. So I'll just select this folder and you can see that path is displayed here, and I just close this pop-up, and now you can see the available macros here in this window. So we will be needing this macro. Now one can run it with this button here, or we can add the button for this macro here at the toolbar, so that next time onwards you can directly start using that button for using this functionality. Please note that in case if you are switching to the different CN version, then you'll have to make sure that the macros from that relevant versions are set up here. So let's see how to quickly add the button for this script on this toolbar so that you can directly use that button for this functionality. So I'll just close this window and I'll just right click on this toolbar. Then I'll click on customize. Then here under command tab, I'll just select the macro, and this is the macro for which I need to create the button. So I'll just drag this script and I just put it here. So you can see this button is created for that macro. I'll just close this window and will now use this button for the import and export functionality. So once I click here, you can see it is showing me two options, that is import and export the CSV file. So at the moment there are no tags. So what we will do is we will first export the CSV file, but this CSV file will not have any tags in it. So I'll just click on OK. After that, it is asking me the file name. Maybe I'll just give name as no tag and I just click on OK. So you can see here the message is saying exported parameter successfully. So I'll just click on OK and maybe I'll just see what it has exported. So you can see the CSV file here with the name no tag. I'll just open this file and we'll see what is there inside this CSV. So you can see here on the left hand side, you can see the part name. Then you have the S, that is the simulation component column, and you have the two other standard columns for the CATIA. Now one can fill this CSV file, that is one can add the scomp and S classes, and then we can import that updated CSV file in our CAD model. So scomp, all of you know, it's a simulation component which represents your product name. So you can just copy these part names under this scomp. Similarly, you can keep on adding the other columns here. So I'll just add the S class type here. One can fill out the details like what class we want to assign, maybe solid. So if I want to assign the solid class to, let's say, these parts, then I just use solid for all these parts. For some of the parts, if I want to use the body, then I can use body here. Maybe I will use the body for these four parts. So likewise, one can assign the simulation classes and the component in the CSV file against the part names. Yes, you can see now this is the CSV file that is with all the scomp and S classes. So once it is done, you can just save the CSV file with different name. I have saved it as a tagged file, and we will now see how to import these tags in the CAD model. So this is our CAD model, and this is not having any tags here. So we'll use the button that we have created. So I'll just click on this button. Then now instead of export, I'll just click on import here and I'll click on OK. Then it will ask me for the file. So whatever file I have created now, that is the tagged file. So I'll just select that and I'll click on open. Now it is asking me whether we have to modify the existing parameters. Then I'll just click on yes, and you can see the tags from that CSV file are getting imported against each part. So this way, with the help of CSV file, you can import the tags very quickly and you can assign those tags to the respective CAD parts. If you want to change the tagging for some of the parts, you can just update your CSV file and you can again import that CSV file in your CAD. You can see here it's showing imported parameters successfully. So I'll just click on OK and you can see against all the parts, whatever tags we have given in the CSV, those have come here. Now I can save this model and I can use it for creating simulation model. So this way, with the help of import and export CSV file, you can add the tags very quickly and very easily to your CAD model. So this is all about today's session. I hope it must have given you some more insight about the tagging process. In case you have any question or query, then please feel free to contact at support@novusnexus.com and I will get back to you accordingly. So thanks everyone. Thanks for attending this session and I would just say have a good day. Bye.